The 2027 Jeep Gladiator just cracked the code that enthusiasts have been waiting years for. We're talking serious V8 power in America's only convertible pickup truck with genuine trail-rated capability. This isn't another boring model year refresh where they change the cup holders and call it a day. We're witnessing the most significant powertrain shakeup in the Gladiator's modern history, and Jeep's bringing not one, but potentially two V8 engines, including the legendary 392 Hemi V8 that will completely transform what this truck can accomplish. For nearly 6 years, the Gladiator has owned a totally unique spot in the midsize pickup world. It's literally the only truck you can drive with the doors off and top down. But here's the thing that's been bugging buyers all along. Despite having unbeatable off-road credentials with Dana 44 axles and that amazing open-air freedom, something felt missing under the hood. The standard Pentastar 3.6-liter V6 works fine, but it never delivered that raw power and distinctive growl that Jeep traditionalists actually crave. The 2027 model year flips that script completely. Jeep CEO Bob Broderdorf dropped this bombshell after spending time on the legendary Rubicon Trail. He said, "After being out at the Rubicon Trail, it's clear just how much people love the roar of the 392. We will extend the availability of the 392 Wrangler, and in fact, we will tap the power and performance of the Hemi across Jeep products as new projects are already underway." The real game changer here is the confirmed 5.7-liter V8 option coming for 2027. This represents a massive shift for the brand, showing they're finally listening to what customers actually want. More displacement, more power, and that unmistakable V8 rumble that makes your neighbors peek over the fence. The timing works out perfectly too. Since 2027 model year vehicles typically show up in dealerships around August or September 2026. That means we're just months away from seeing these beasts rolling onto lots. But wait, there's more to this V8 story. The Gladiator's also getting the legendary 392 Hemi V8 engine that currently powers the Wrangler Rubicon 392. This monster cranks out 470 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque. Those numbers will transform the Gladiator into a completely different animal. Whether this lands in late 2026 or waits for the full 2027 model year rollout, this high-output engine will revolutionize both towing performance and off-road capability. To really appreciate why this matters so much, you need to understand the Gladiator's heritage. The original Gladiator launched in 1962 when Kaiser Jeep Corporation decided to take on the growing pickup truck market. Built on the Jeep Wagoneer's frame, they marketed it as a beautiful brute and achieved something remarkable. It became the first four-wheel drive truck offered with an automatic transmission. That original Gladiator and the J-Series trucks that followed defined Jeep's truck identity for nearly 3 decades. Production continued until 1988, and the platform was so successful, it held the record for the longest continuous automotive production run on the same platform in US automotive history. We're talking over 28 years with only minor technical changes. When Jeep brought back the Gladiator nameplate in 2019, they created something that had never existed before: a modern pickup truck with genuine Wrangler DNA. The modern Gladiator isn't just a truck with removable doors. It's a complete open-air experience with removable top panels, a fold-down windshield, and now quick-release door hinges that eliminate the need for tools during conversion. The capability numbers paint an impressive picture. The Gladiator delivers 11.1 inches of ground clearance and can ford 31.5 inches of water. Those specifications make navigating challenging terrain genuinely doable, whether you're hitting the trails near Moab, Utah, or tackling weekend overlanding adventures. No other vehicle in its class matches its 7,700-pound maximum towing capacity with the Max Tow package, while payload reaches up to 1,725 pounds. The 5-foot bed strikes at sweet spot, providing useful cargo space while keeping the truck's footprint manageable on tight trails. Inside, Jeep loaded the Gladiator with the largest standard touchscreen in its class, a 12.3-inch Uconnect 5 nav system that includes integrated off-road adventure guides with access to over 200 off-road trails. The cabin also features the most charging points in its class, with 4 traditional USB ports and 3 USB-C ports, keeping everyone connected during long adventures. The off-road capability peaks in specialized trims like the Mojave, which holds the distinction of being the first desert-rated Jeep model. Its 44.7-degree approach angle enables climbing sharp inclines without scraping, while a 25.5-degree departure angle helps clear obstacles when descending. With 11.6 inches of ground clearance and specialized Fox Racing shock absorbers paired with BF Goodrich KO2 tires, the Mojave was engineered specifically for high-speed desert running. The Gladiator's journey hasn't been all smooth sailing though. Sales peaked at 89,712 units in 2021, but have dropped significantly since then. In 2024, sales fell to 42,100 1,123 units, which represents a 23.7% decrease from the previous year. Some point to pricing pressure, with the Gladiator starting at $39,995 compared to the Toyota Tacoma's $31,500 base price. Top trim Rubicon and Mojave models can exceed $60,000, competing against less expensive but equally capable alternatives like the Chevrolet Colorado ZR2. The pricing criticism gets sharper when you realize a fully loaded Gladiator can cost more than some full-size trucks. This has pushed potential buyers toward other options, contributing to the sales decline that resulted in production cuts at the Toledo assembly complex and temporary layoffs of approximately 1,100 workers. Stellantis also made the controversial decision to cancel the planned Gladiator 4 XE hybrid variant that was supposed to arrive in 2025. UAW Local 12. President Bruce Baumhauer expressed disappointment, saying, "If we can get that hybrid, that'll put some juice in that vehicle." The cancellation also affects plans for an all-electric Gladiator, making electrified variants unlikely for years to come. Despite these challenges, Jeep keeps refining the Gladiator formula. The 2026 model year introduced tool-free, quick-release door hinges that make transitioning to open-air driving significantly faster. New exterior colors include Goldilocks Metallic and Rain Purple, previously exclusive to the Wrangler. The Special Willys 41 edition pays homage to the old Kaiser Jeep M715 with specific olive green paint, matching 17-inch wheels, tan interior, steel bumpers, and a Mopar triple hoop grille guard. Looking ahead to 2027, the V8 options represent more than just additional power. They address the fundamental criticism that the Gladiator lacks the emotional appeal of traditional American trucks. The 5.7-liter V8 will likely start around the $71,995 price point established by the Wrangler Willys 392, while the 392 Hemi variant will command premium pricing but deliver supercar-level performance in a convertible pickup package. The competition isn't sleeping either. The Gladiator faces strong rivals including the Chevrolet Colorado, Ford Ranger, GMC Canyon, Nissan Frontier, and Toyota Tacoma, each offering dedicated off-road variants, but none can match the Gladiator's unique combination of open-air freedom, genuine rock-crawling capability, and now serious V8 power. Production of the current generation will continue through 2028 under Stellantis' agreement with the UAW, but a complete redesign is expected for the 2028 model year. This gives Jeep time to perfect the V8 integration and address any remaining issues with the current platform. The 2027 Jeep Gladiator represents a pivotal moment for this unique vehicle. By adding the V8 options that enthusiasts have demanded for years while maintaining its unmatched open-air capability and off-road prowess, Jeep's betting that raw power and authentic truck character can overcome pricing concerns and reignite sales momentum. For those who want a pickup truck that can do things no other vehicle can, from conquering the Rubicon Trail to cruising topless on weekend adventures, the 2027 Gladiator